the year 1950, Don Jose Diaz began to cultivate the land for the sustenance for his wife and 16 children. Among the food they cultivated, a guava orchard was planted with the goal of selling the fruit in the few available markets of that time. This agricultural practice aroused the taste for the field in some of his children, who continued cultivating guava for the following decades. But the situation in the field is a constant challenge. The environment is increasingly giving us more challenges that we must overcome and make an effort to reverse the damage we have done to the planet. That was always the reason that Alberto, son of Don Jose, had in mind to be able to achieve what we can currently see: a company committed to the environment, society, and the growers and people working in the guava fields. Currently, Fruita's Premium Packing House exports more than 60% of total guava in the country. It collects fruit from the best growers from the different areas of the country. This way we can meet the quality that the export market requires, that the consumer deserves. And we can provide the amount that all customers and chains in the United States demand throughout the year. This great effort by all of us who collaborate with the Guava Export Project is only the first step. Now we seek to improve our cultivation techniques and food safety standards to offer better produce and improve our environment. The company has little more than 200 hectares of its own that are planted, which is approximately 115,000 trees, or the equivalent to 400 soccer fields. Additionally, it collects fruit from more than 700 growers who are pre-selected to ensure that they comply with quality and food safety standards, among others. Fruita's Premium has been the largest exporter since 2009 to date, with growth exceeding 25% each year. Fruita's Premium Packing House, located in Aguascalientes, receives the fruit from the field in pre-cooling rooms to subsequently go into the selection area, where 3 automatic sorters classify the fruit according to its degree of ripeness, weight, and size. Then it goes to the packing area, where the pallet is strapped and protected with an anti-insect mesh, to subsequently go to the finished product cold room and be exported in refrigerated transport to keep the cold chain that started in the field. Implementing good agriculture practices, high standards of safety, and committed to the environment, we are able to produce the best fruit. We have Primus GFS certification, HACCP implementation, and the Mexican federal certifications. A large percentage of our orchards is covered with an anti-hail mesh to ensure the supply of fruit throughout the year. We have specialized machinery, hydraulic infrastructure, and tools necessary to have control and good management in the field. We have refrigerated equipment in the field that allows us to start the cold chain from the moment the fruit is harvested and until it reaches packaging. We pre-select only the fruit that meets export quality, using small sorters in the orchards. An internal record is kept for each lot per orchard. The cargo is shipped by our own transportation to our facilities located in Pharr, Texas, from where the product is distributed to all of the United States. To know more about the company and the Mexican guava, visit www.premiumguava.com.